I'll wait to see your golden smile. Feel of
Hey guys, in this episode we're starting our time in the Sporades by sailing down the island of Alonissos with the hopes of anchoring in the small harbor of Votsi. Unfortunately, we can't always have what we want. So that's where we came from, all the way back there. And this is the island of Alonissos. Probably not pronouncing it right. I'm Mexicanizing all my pronunciations in Greek. We're gonna try and stay on this island tonight. There's some winds coming in tomorrow. 15-knot winds, northerlies. Well, isn't this just a flopper? We're between islands, so there's no wind in here. What is he doing? He's just gonna sit there, holding the sail. He's pretending he's in a race. Goofy. I don't know if I would feel comfortable having the house. Well, I guess it's probably back away from. It looks deceiving. From here, it looks like it's at the edge. And look, it's got its own little cove, like that rock wall. And then they've got their little cove in there. That's so pretty.
Two in there.
Okay, we'll see.
One speedboat and one catamaran, or one.
Yeah, and we've got rocks on our starboard side. We'll have rocks, but on our, I'm thinking I should hang out here and circle, and you go out with the dinghy without the lines right now, just with the dinghy by itself, and see if you can find those rings he was talking about. Because I know one of his lines was over there, and I think that's the wall where he said there was those 6 rings. I think we can do this. We just need to.
Here we can tie to that rock where they're at.
Yeah, that'll be our starboard side, and then our port side. There's supposed to be some rings back there. Let's see, we're in 6 meters, so I'm gonna.
I'll go get the dinghy down, okay?
We're plenty early. We've got plenty of time. This is really good practice, and it is freaking beautiful
here. We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We wanna go, go.
There's supposed to be some rings over there in the rocks where we can tie off, so Donovan went to look for them.
We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go.
We should have dropped anchor and pulled back towards our final spot before taking the lines back to shore. I made the wrong decision and Donovan reluctantly agreed. Now I'm too far away from shore and Donovan has to pull all our line off our spools to reach the shore. So now there's floating line all over the place as I begin to reverse to shore, which makes it impossible for me to reverse without getting the line all caught up in the props. We should have dropped our anchor and pulled back as close as possible to our final resting spot and then taken the lines to shore. Check out episode 109 for a better explanation.
Got the line caught in the damn prop.
I know. That's why I put the anchor down.
This is why I didn't want to do this shit, Dave.
Okay, you can yell at me all you want later. Right now, let's resolve.
I told you to watch the line.
That's why I dropped the anchor.
How often lines won't come out anymore? No, don't let any more go out. My breath. Make sure we're not hitting anything over there. Which way are you going?
The wind is taking me.
Go against the wind. Go forward, go forward.
I'm trying to turn us so that we can get away from this boat.
You gotta go forward.
I'm trying, babe. I can't turn this rudder. How's it coming along?
You can go forward.
I'm trying. You're gonna have to go to the front and grab a line and pull me away.
Here's what I'm fixing. I'm fixing to take this
Yeah?
and go get the line up at the thing.
Okay. Whatever you do, you need to go to the front starboard side and grab my corner. You need to go with the boat. With the boat. I'm getting too close to this
Break the
boat.
other engine.
I can't.
Yes, you can. I got it undone. Hey, I'm going to get the blue line.